This is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C programming. In this video tutorial, we're gonna see the character arrays in C. In C, these character arrays are also called as the strings. So similar to the string integer array or the floating point array, in C we can create these character arrays also. To create this character array, first we need to type this keyword char. That's because our character array is gonna store the values of type characters. Then the name of the array. So in this video tutorial, we're gonna save my name in this array. That's why I'm gonna call this variable as the name. Then we need to add the square brackets here, and here within this curly braces we're gonna initialize this array. So a character constant must be written within this single quotes. That's why I'm gonna write a in single quotes and a comma. Then we're gonna write n, then we're gonna write I, then we're gonna write l. So this is how we can create a character array in C. Similar to the integer arrays, we can print the particular element present in this character array. For that purpose, here we're gonna use this printf statement. For the character type, we have to use the format specifier as the %c. Then we're gonna refer the element. Element, that's gonna be name. We need this square brackets, and we're gonna refer element in the position 0. That's gonna be a. So save it, compile it. So as you can see here, a will be printed. So similarly we can print other values also. So let me copy this and paste. Copy and paste. Here I'm gonna make it to 3. Save it, compile it and run it. So as you can see here, we have printed a. That's because the element at the position 0, that's a, and the element at the position 3, that's gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, that's l. So in C, a character array is also called as a string. So for the string values, the format specifier is %s. We can write %s here, and we can refer this character array here. So what this gonna do is it's gonna print this string. So save it, compile and run it. So as you can see here, it has printed Anil, then X, then some single quoted strings here. That's because in C, a string is a collection of characters which is ended with a null value. So here in our character array we have Anil here, ANIL here, and we haven't specified a null value. That's why the compiler is gonna print the values until it encounters that null value. So it just prints some values outside this array. So for that purpose we're gonna add a null value here. We can add a null value using this backslash and a 0. So save it and compile and run it. So as you can see here, now we have printed only Anil. So close it. Another thing is, if you are initializing a string here, you can do it in another type also. I'm gonna write my surname. It's gonna be surname, that's the name of the array. Then within the square brackets, then we're gonna write the string value in double quotes. So I'm gonna write Shetty. So here make a note that we don't need to add this null string. That's because the compiler is gonna add that null string automatically for the string values. So save it. Similar to this name of the character array, we can print each element in this surname array also. To demonstrate that, I'm gonna make this one to %c, and here I'm gonna refer the surname array. Then I'm gonna refer the first element, that's gonna be surname of 0. So compile it and run. So as you can see here, we have only S printer here. So the last thing we want to do is we just want to print my name and my surname. That's why we're gonna write %s here, and I'm gonna refer this name here, then leave a space here, then I'm gonna write printf again %s, then I'm gonna refer my surname. Save, compile and run. So as you can see here, is Anil Shetty. So this is about the character array or the strings in C. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next tutorial.